I'm going to tell you a little secret. This anxiety treatment industry isn't telling you. If you've tried everything to make your panic attacks, physical symptoms, intrusive thoughts go away and nothing has worked, it's not your fault. The entire industry is broken. Take cognitive behavioral therapy, for example. It teaches you to challenge your thoughts and reframe your beliefs. Cool, thanks. But what happens when your heart is beating 200 miles an hour? What happens when your vision is blurry, when you can't even gasp for air and you feel like you're about to pass out in a Target? Yeah, good luck reframing that. And then there's acceptance commitment therapy, which just tell you to accept your sensations and accept the discomfort. Like, really? You want me to accept these feelings like I'm about to die? Without giving me any explanation for why I'm feeling this in the first place? That's like telling somebody just to accept the pain of a broken bone without telling them that their bone is literally snapped in half. And don't even get me started on traditional therapy that just goes into childhood trauma or throwing medication at the problem or holistic practitioners showing you how to breathe your way out of this, or your special anxiety coach trying to teach you another coping strategy. The truth is that they're all just looking at it as one puzzle piece. They're not looking at it as a whole image. The truth is that if you want to overcome this, you have to know what's happening. You have to know why you're experiencing the symptoms. Accepting your way without knowing what's going on isn't really going to work. Challenging your beliefs and reframing things is good, but it's important to understand when you're experiencing anxiety symptoms in the moment, what's going on. Understanding how your nervous system plays a role in all of this. By the way, if you want to know a whole approach, I have a free ebook that shows you the entire recovery journey, breaking down each of these principles. But the truth is that this anxiety treatment industry just looks at anxiety as maybe as a thinking problem, or as a chemical imbalance problem, or just something you need to breathe through. The truth is that there's multiple things going on. Your nervous system is sensitized. You're not sure what's happening. You're not sure how to get out of this. And what happens is that you develop coping strategies to avoid or distract yourself from feeling the sensations. So in order to overcome this, you have to understand what's going on. You have to understand why your nervous system is sensitized and why it's creating all these symptoms as a side effect. You need to know how to be able to respond, and you need to know that focusing on long-term freedom will help you overcome these symptoms. If you're always looking for short-term fixes, if you're always trying to avoid, distract, fear, try to fix it, try to feel better in the moment, that is what's keeping your anxiety symptoms alive.